In the second question, we have integral from 0 to pi by 2 under root of sin x. Then you have under root of sin x plus under root of cos x in the denominator dx. Once again, a very simple question if you think of properties, and very difficult if you think of solving it directly. So what do we have? I is integral from 0 to pi by 2 under root of sin x over under root of sin x plus under root of cos x dx. And the property that I am looking forward to is that P3 or the king property. Special case of P3 can be applied over here, but a special case of P3, that is P4 as per NCERT, can be applied, or basically we are applying this property. I'll write the property over here. Integral a to b fx dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is the property I'm talking about, the king property. Right. So I over here will also be equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2. Yes. You'll replace x by pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x will become cos x. Sin pi by 2 minus x will become cos x. Cos pi by 2 minus x will become sin x. If you see these two expressions inside the integral, the denominators are exactly same. Yes. So this is 1, this is 2. I can maybe add 1 and 2, and that gives me 2i. On the LHS you have I plus I, which is 2i, is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2. The limits are exactly same. Therefore, I can add the two functions, and since denominator is root sin x plus root cos x, for both the numerators will get added. In the numerator for the first I have root sin x, and the numerator of second is root cos x. This is what you get. And what's special in this? Okay, so this and this get cancelled, and yes, we get 0 to pi by 2 integral of 1 dx, and that is nothing but integral of 1 is x. X from 0 to pi by 2 will be equal to pi by 2. So again I get 2i is equal to pi by 2. Therefore I is equal to pi by 4. Whenever you see sin x being converted into cos x like this, or cos x being converted into sin x, do you see some kind of a result getting formed? Yes. And many a times questions have been asked based on this property, this particular property of this kind. In any examination you consider the board examinations, yes, before using this property. You consider the competitive examinations, they like using this kind of this property very much. Therefore the name king, right? So this is the solution of this second question, as you can see over here.